Today we are in Lagos del Mar, Punta Mita, touring a spectacular 5-bedroom home defined by openness, harmony, and a perfect balance between land and sea. I'm Regina from Vivre and Nico is behind the camera, and today we'll take you through this property to show you how natural light, textures, and horizon-wide views come together in one elevated residence. Come along with us as we explore this property. As you arrive, you feel the openness. The house is set to capture views of the sea and the golf course, with breezes moving through these wide open glass walls that seamlessly connect the interiors with the outdoors. The architecture is bold but steeped in calm and tropical elegance. Situated inside the gated Lagos del Mar community, surrounded by lush landscaping, privacy, and resort-style access, you're minutes from Punta Mita's top clubs, yet in your own world. Designed by the renowned Juan Collignon, with interiors by Karen Collignon, this home is a striking blend of warmth and precision. You'll notice the use of natural stone, wood, and glass throughout, creating a feeling of openness and calm. The villa features 6 bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom and balcony. Every suite follows the same open concept, bringing in light, air, and views. Each one is spacious and includes an outdoor shower surrounded by tropical greenery, while the master stands out with a large terrace furnished with lawn chairs and a daybed overlooking the golf course and the infinity pool. Whether you're gathering with family or enjoying quiet, the layout works. Outside you'll find an infinity edge pool with jacuzzi overlooking the golf course, a fire pit lounge and rooftop terrace for sunsets, and a private cinema for relaxed evenings, with a full staff, daily service, and access to Punta Mita's exclusive beach clubs and resort amenities. This villa holds grandeur and intimacy. It's available both for vacational rental and for sale. If you'd like to receive more information, just click the link below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible properties across Mexico. Until next time.